is the pigeon, the bird, and the other one is the farm. Stick, Isaac Little. Oh wow. So you better take a rest. Drink medicine. Also, me. I have a bad cough. It's 3 weeks already. My cough is 3 weeks. Oh my God. I think it's so cold. Cold there, right? Pakistan, so cold. But no snow. Do you have snow there, brother? Pakistan? It is the way. Every single day, I look, did you come? I look at the time when you were young and blue. I don't miss. Mommy Gina adds, thank you, Mommy. Like Dan, Matthew Dilawar. Matthew Dilawar, how are you? Good evening, Mama Astrid. Long time no see, Mama Astrid. Hello, Miguel Ab, shout out. Thumbs up, Dan, Mama Astrid. Nakabalik ka na, ma'am. Eugene, Miguel Ab, shout out. Matthew. Eugene, shouty. Ayan, Matthew Dilawar. Long time no see. Oh, ma'am eh. Nakabalik ka na? So, ro. I Astrid, Mami Gina. I was born on the top of, thank you, Ma'am Astrid, of the mountain. Here's by my mother.